Good morning, TikTok. Let's take a tour of my studio. Come on, let's go head inside. So my studio is a small bungalow. It's about 980 square feet. It's a little house that I converted into a studio. Instead of renting a commercial space, it made more sense to buy a small property. Got this cool medieval door. Inside you can see TVA, Trailer Voice Artist is my company. I have a small waiting area for anyone coming to do a session or a producer or something waiting. And this is a small kitchen I have, and pretty standard studio operation stuff, coffees, waters. And then here, as we go into the back, there's some storage hooks where I keep my power vests mostly, and a small bathroom that my wife designed. It looks very nice and clean. And I have a control room, and then I have the voiceover booth. So let's go in the voiceover booth. Got these cool theater curtains here, really nice, very heavy duty, block sound from the outside, and stacked stone wall, headphones, cable patch bay. All of these acoustic panels I built myself. They're all stuffed with rock wool, and behind those curtains there is more rock wool that I closed a window off with. And all of these sound panels are custom built for the room. Took measurements. Some lighting. This is the size of me in the room, so you can see it's about 12 by 12. Some lights, and we have our Townsend Labs microphone set up here. This is a digital mic modeling system that I use for all my work. Use the focal headphones, and let's go take a look at the control room. Alright, here's the control room. Built this sound diffuser on the wall here. It was a fun weekend project for a couple weeks. Okay, and gear in here, you can see we have the focal monitor speakers. There's an 11-inch sub down below the desk. It's a Buso audio desk. We have the Avalon 737 preamp, the Manley Vox box for mic pre's. I use those for the Sennheiser 416 that I'm using to talk to you right now, and also the Manley reference cardioid microphone. We're using the Apollo X8 Universal Audio interface, you can see right there. And that is the setup. It's mostly just microphone voiceover driven, so I don't have a lot of things to record instruments. I can, but that's just not what I do. So here's another quick little view, a nice spin around view of the studio where I spend most of my time. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.